Guys, let's make this delicious Asun rice. I'm going to use meat and pepper, onions, a cube, everything to spice this meat. And I'm going to use paprika and basil leaf with onions. Now after spicing with onions and I'm turning them together, I am going to cook them in the pot and the stove, and I have blended all the peppers together with the basil leaf. I'm just straining the water because I'm going to use the water. I am not going to throw the water away. Now this is the rice that I've parboiled. I am going to allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. While the meat has finished cooking, pour in the those the stock, and I added dark soya sauce, and I'll allow it to cook. And look at how it is. Yes. Now I am going to add the oil and palm oil, onions, and the peppers together. I'm going to stir and just cook it together as if I'm making a stew. So while the is cooking, so I added all the things, onions and the other things. I'm adding this stock cube together and I'm turning them together, adding my thyme, my basil, dry basil leaves and oregano, and then I've poured all the rice inside, and then I'm turning them all together, and it tastes really good. Yes. Now the meat, I'm pouring all that meat that I've grilled in the oven. You can fry yours. I grilled mine. Now I'm going to put them in here, and then voila, it is good to go. Test for salt, and that is it for today. Until I come your way next time. See you soon.